Hi guys, it's your friendly, slightly under the weather Sarah here. Hi. For all of you that saw the last video I did on Project Teeter Tot, where I did the rear carpet and I flocked some interior panels, there's a link up above to that video if you haven't seen it. That is why I feel slightly under the weather today. About a day after I did the flocking on those panels, I started having like, I don't know, felt like a chest cold kind of, and I didn't wear a dust mask. I know. I didn't wear a dust mask when I did the flocking of those panels. I had my garage door cracked, so it was ventilation. So lesson learned, if you're gonna ever do a flock process, wear a mask. So yesterday I came out here and I finished the rest of the wet sanding on the car with 15 and 2000 grit. I did the rear wing, and then the bumper's done. I did the entire engine cover with the exception of the areas that would be impossible to buff. And then this is the only other area left on the car that needs to be buffed. Slightly slow side entry, yay. Something I want to show you guys I did last night also is, see on the bottom of the wing here, how there's this rubber stripping all along. It's not the straightest job, but I put new foam / rubber weather stripping all along the bottom of the wing where it mounts to the trunk of the car, because it had that from the factory, and it's super sticky tape. Like once it's on there, it's not coming off. So yeah, stuff's awesome. I'll link it down below in my Amazon affiliate link thingy for you. It smells so good. It smells like Bounty. Having any luck, there's still some swirls showing, so I'm going to try a different pad. I have these right here, these Meguires Cutting Pads. It's a microfiber. Oh, that worked really good. Yeah, it got rid of the rest of the sand scratches. Those pads work really good actually. Gotta take care of this real quick before I mount the spoiler on there. 20 minutes of work, done in a second. Much better, no more swirls and crap under the spoiler. Now the time to mount this thing on here. Nailed it. There. So now it's time to knock out the top of the spoiler. I've been trying to figure out what to do back here on the side of the spoiler where there's the hole for the rear antenna, because I'm not putting that power antenna back on here. The thing weighs like 10 pounds and it's huge and excessive. So I just ordered an OEM Honda S2000 antenna. All right, time to polish this back bumper and make it look like that corner that I just did a little test section on. so shiny. I'm so excited. I got the back side of this thing all polished up. I don't know if you guys have been watching my channel long enough to know last year when I did some detailing videos with detailersdomain.com, I reached back out to the owner, Phil, to see if he could set up a giveaway to give away the products I've been using to do this cut and buff on the MR2. So he put together 5 little prize packs, and the details are gonna be below in the description of the video on what you guys can do to enter to win one of these prize packs. And it includes primarily these 2 components that have done the bulk of the work on this cut and buff. This is the Jescar Correcting Compound and then the Jescar polish, which I have not really got a chance to use yet on the MR2, but it's gonna include these 2 guys and then some buffing pads, as well as Nanolex SI finish, which I will be using on the car once it's all done. But maybe this is just a way that you can get started on your own nightmarish month-long process of cutting and buffing a vehicle. This part's gonna be kind of difficult because I don't think my buffing pad's gonna fit in this valley. So I don't really know how I'm gonna do this. The next morning, I'm feeling a lot better today. I don't feel as congested, so hopefully my body's getting rid of all that flock gunk that I ingested. But anyway, I recorded a mail time this morning with my roommate Sarah, but problem is last night when I was working on the MR2, I knocked over my tripod and my Canon EOS 70D fell and landed on the fold-out screen on the side where the audio jack is at, and it messed up my camera. I somehow managed to fix it, but the audio jack where it plugs in is like bent or tweaked. So now like every time I record something, I have to like preview it after and make sure I capture the audio. So pretty much I have to buy a new DSLR, which really sucks because they're super expensive. But so we're gonna do a voiceover of the mail time since I don't have any of the audio for that or like some of the stuff I recorded at the end of last night either. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I want to say thank you real quick to everyone that sent mail. In the bad lip reading, I'm not going to be able to know who sent what because I don't have people's names according to the boxes when I open them and stuff now, so there's no way for me to know who sent what during this voiceover. So thank you everyone that sent stuff. Really appreciative for that, and hopefully you guys enjoy this horrible bad lip reading we're about to do. Bonjour people, welcome.
Good morning.
Today I'm going to do things with mail time, and that's a car.
Oh, and a cat. Hello.
Cat came out of nowhere. All right, my first box I'm opening up is a brown envelope. What did you send me? You sent me a tip? You sent me just a tip. You sent me 3 tips. Okay.
Your spouts.
Oh, okay. Apparently it's from a guy that makes these spouts. Thank you, Mr. Spout guy. I'll be sure to use these. Where the cat disappeared out of thin air, and it's completely confusing to me right now. I don't know how cats just appear out of thin air.
Nope. Parkour.
That cat just climbed on your shoulder. It's a E equals MR2 t-shirt. That is so adorable.
So cute.
Thank you for the MR2 t-shirt. I'm actually gonna wear this to the first car meet I take the MR2 to. Okay, next box is a box in a box. It's a blue box.
Give me blue box.
What? Oh my god. What he sent is actually a tool to compress the brake calipers. So you put these on your brakes that require compressing when you have to turn them and compress them at the same time.
Here I go.
Oh my god, that's a big Texas mug.
Everything's bigger in Texas.
Is it?
Sure. Words are hard.
Yay! Shark Week! Save our seas! It's a shark plate that says JJGTO.
That just reminds me of the JJ Wentworth. JG Wentworth.
Get out of your cardboard.
I'm looking. I'm shaking it.
So these were actually test receptacles to do voltage readings on the TT for the ABS and for another problem the car had that I don't remember. Oh, the cooling fans. And he sent a letter to say what to do with these dongles.
Wow, we take a long time to read things.
I guess it takes D batteries. I'm gonna have to borrow them from Sarah. Apparently she has a supply of those that I can use.
Mine's chargeable, actually.
Oh. It's a mini calculator or something.
Yeah, it makes graphs and things.
So I have to borrow some batteries from Sarah to make this work.
Can I get any more closer to the paper to read it?
I'm talking to a wire because that's where I'm at in my life.
Oh.
And there goes a cat once again. Ooh, it's a bag full of goodies.
Bust your nuts.
It's some t-shirts and baby toothbrushes.
And another one.
Smells like Subi.
Boobs make me happy. Just kidding.
That's a mini toolbox to put tools in. You can take that out of my box now. It looks like you can stick it in the kitchen and put booze in it. Or bread. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna stick that in the kitchen and ta-da! Are you wiping boogers on your sleeve?
I got something in my mouth.
Oh, okay. Good for you. Moving on. I have small toothbrushes. I'm gonna polish my teeth with this mini Rupes toothbrush. Next is a plate. And another cat. What is this cat doing? I'm gonna cut this thing open. Oh, wow. Look at this. You got Legos.
Juniors! Just for me.
Yay, basement flooding.
I'll flood your basement.
It smells like a t-shirt too.
Another letter.
My gosh, she got a letter. Wow.
Wow, I can read.
I'm so amazed. I got a welder. I'm gonna have to learn how to weld things for real though. I think the only time I've ever tried welding was on the back of Charlie's truck and I had no idea what I was doing. So now I have to learn because I have this little baby welder.
Boo, boo, let me play with your welding stick. I'm gonna light your farts on fire.
What? Please don't light anything on fire. Oh, it's a cat. Yay, what is he doing? He's trying to murder me. Cats are sketchy. Bye, cat. See ya. I got license plates from Canada. What do you got?
I got one from Mississippi. MISSISSIPPI.
These glasses make me smarter. Ooh, it's a Maine license plate from an antique auto in Maine.
What are you doing with your hands?
I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Oh, it's a t-shirt from the guy that I talked to on Instagram about tattoos, and he did an article thing on my tattoos.
Nope.
That was way harder than I thought it was going to be to do. I don't know how they do those bad lip reading videos. It's so difficult. Anyway, the car is all put back together. I just gotta get some miscellaneous hardware to do the engine lid, and I'm gonna paint the under part of it black, put that back on there, and yeah, thank you for everyone who sent mail this mail time. I'm sorry my camera is screwed up, and it's kind of working right now, but I have to literally watch every single clip I record to make sure there's audio because the wire is not staying in the side of the camera. It's like loose inside its hole, so I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye.